Hi, this is Rachel Latosa Brown, and I'm here today to give you seller tips. My first tip of the day is to depersonalize. What does that all mean? That means you're trying to appeal to the masses. So you want to take all those personal touches out of your home. You want your buyers to imagine themselves in your home with their things. So your house should be a blank canvas. So if you have really stylized furniture or art or lots of family photos, memorabilia, personal keepsakes, you need to remove all of those items from your home. So remember, depersonalize and give your buyers the ability to see themselves, their family, and their life in your home. If you want more seller tips, please check out my next video. This is Rachel Latosa Brown, your favorite realtor, giving you quick and simple real estate tips. Take care.